Imagine pulling up to a 5-star hotel, and before you even step out, everyone already knows who's in charge. That's the kind of presence the 2025 BMW 7 Series brings. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling statement of power, technology, and ultimate luxury. And today, we're diving deep into what makes this flagship sedan stand out in 2025, along with the price you'll need if you're planning to own one. Welcome back to MTW Supercar, and if you love cars as much as we do, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we've got so much more fire content coming your way. The 7 Series has always been BMW's ultimate showcase of what the brand can do, and the 2025 version takes that legacy to the next level. From the moment you see it, the bold kidney grille and split headlight design demand your attention. BMW isn't shy about making the 7 look like the boss on the road. The LED crystal headlights sparkle almost like jewelry, giving it a futuristic vibe that tells you this car is as much about style as it is about performance. Step to the side and you'll notice the elongated, smooth lines that emphasize elegance and dominance. BMW kept it classy but also aggressive, making sure that whether you're driving it or being chauffeured, you look like you belong at the top. The rear gets sleek LED light bars stretching across, paired with a subtle yet confident bumper design that screams authority without trying too hard. But the outside is just the appetizer. Step inside and the 2025 7 Series feels more like a private jet than a car. The cabin is flooded with high-quality leather, crystal accents, and even available cashmere upholstery if you want something truly next level. BMW calls it executive lounge seating, and honestly, it lives up to the name. Rear passengers can recline in first-class style, complete with leg rests, ambient lighting, and an incredible 31-inch 8K theater screen that folds down from the roof. Yes, you heard that right, an 8K screen in the backseat. Imagine watching movies or even gaming while being chauffeured. That's next-level luxury. In the front, the driver isn't left out. The curved display blends a 12.3-inch instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen, powered by BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 system. It's smooth, fast, and loaded with voice commands and gesture controls. Plus, the 7 Series now offers built-in gaming features and even a digital personal assistant that makes the whole experience more futuristic than ever. Performance is where BMW never disappoints, and the 2025 7 Series comes with a range of engines. The base model, the 740i, runs a 3.0-liter inline-6 turbo with mild hybrid tech, giving you smooth power and great efficiency. Then you step up to the 760i, packing a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 with electrification, pumping out serious horsepower for those who crave performance along with luxury. And if you're going green, BMW has the all-electric i7, which delivers silent but powerful acceleration with ranges over 300 miles on a charge. Whether you want gasoline power or full electric, BMW has every option covered in the 7 Series lineup. Driving dynamics have always been BMW's strength, and despite its size, the 2025 7 Series handles with surprising agility. Adaptive air suspension, rear-wheel steering, and advanced driver assistance systems all work together to make the car feel smooth, safe, and powerful whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating tight city streets. Now let's talk about the big question: what does all this luxury, tech, and power cost in 2025? The starting price for the BMW 740i comes in around $98,000. If you want the V8-powered 760i, you're looking at roughly $118,000. And for those who want the all-electric BMW i7, prices start around $106,000 but can easily climb past $150,000 depending on options. With all the luxury packages, high-end materials, and tech upgrades, a fully loaded 7 Series can cross $170,000. Yes, that's a serious price tag, but you're not just buying a car, you're buying a lifestyle. So, is the 2025 BMW 7 Series worth it? Well, if you want a mix of cutting-edge technology, unmatched comfort, powerful performance, and the kind of presence that makes people turn their heads everywhere you go, then the 7 Series delivers in every way. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about how you feel while you're doing it. And BMW has made sure you'll feel like royalty every single time you step inside. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 BMW 7 Series. What do you think? Would you go for the gasoline powerhouse, the eco-friendly i7 electric, or keep it balanced with the 6-cylinder 740i? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I'd love to know which version you'd pick. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure you subscribe to MTW Supercar because we've got more reviews, more price breakdowns, and more supercar content coming soon. Until next time, drive safe, live bold, and never stop chasing the ultimate ride.